Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Chancy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I'm rocking my PJs today, just cause, yeah, it's one of those days. It's so cold outside. I can't leave. My door froze. I'm locked in, okay. But my door did freeze, but I'm not locked in. Have I ever told you guys that I have a lot of weird pajamas? And I'm a weird sock person too. I really like socks. Socks with patterns and things. That's just me. Anywho's, let's get to the point of this video. We are working on number 3 of the 6 tattoo decal inspired nail art. And I also want to let you guys know, from the same company, I also found in my feed there was black cat ones and 2 really specific skull ones that kind of like popped out at me. So those will be another video or so after these ones. So yeah, I'm going to angle down. I'm going to show you guys the colors that I picked for this one. And we're going to go ahead and get to some nail art. So if you guys want to see how I do it, keep on. Alright, hey, bunny hands. Okay, so the one that we are going to do today, Vinny's laughing. The one we are going to recreate to finish this little sample stick here is this one. This one is my absolute favorite. I don't know why. I just love it so much. I don't know if it's because it's got the purple or what, but I really like the way this one turned out. Now the water, the photo, I'll insert the photo here. The photo, as you can see, didn't have this this extra coloring that I put in down here. It was just because I didn't think that this area specifically right here where it kind of goes from white and transitions, I didn't think it would show up very well on the white background. So I added a little extra color down there just because. So yeah, so we're going to do this one here. And the colors that we are working with, of course, the backgrounds on all of these little swatch sticks are Tips and Toes from Nail Innovations gel polish. It's their white gel polish. The number is 038. I have done a layer and then I buffed it so that I can draw on it with a regular graphite pencil. I will be using my usual black. Now, I find a good tip when you're doing like line work, you want to definitely use a thicker kind of gel. Like you want to use like a painting gel, because I have tried like other gel polishes that were black, and I find when you're drawing with them specifically, they kind of bleed a little bit. Like when you like do a fine line, it bleeds out and it just doesn't look good. So you definitely, when you're doing intricate things like this, go with gel paint. Okay, so the colors that I've chosen to go inside the little gem and the heart are actually canni gel paint. This is the sister gel to the venalisa. They're basically the exact same formula, but I find the canni gel is more sticky than the venalisa. Don't know why. So I'm using this purple. Don't mind the inside. I have my little sticky. I have to stir up the pigments because they do separate after a while when they're sitting. So yeah. I'm going to use this beautiful purple. And I'm going to wipe that stick. And I'm going to combine it with 1610. It's this really cool robin egg Tiffany turquoise color. I have yet to use this, so I'm kind of excited. And I think purple and turquoise just go very well together. It's coming off a little more like bluey on the camera, but I assure you this is like a robin egg turquoise blue. So yes. So without further ado, I'm not going to bore y'all. And going to speed up the rest of this. And yeah. right, so I have just top coated that one there. I really like that color combination, but I do realize I should have cured in between doing the outer dots and the inner dots, because I did kind of lose that top gem, as you can see there. So flash curing is definitely a key when doing more intricate things like this, but I still like the way it turned out. I really like this color combination. I think it's super cute. Oh no! We had a bumped head. Give me 1 second. Alright. We have a little sad Vinny, just in time for the video to end. He bumped his head, poor guy. So anywho's, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Click, comment, like, subscribe, share with the universe. Smash the like button, subscribe, it's totally free. Hit the bell notification, you guys will get notified every time I post every few days. Definitely leave comments, suggestions down below of anything that you would like to see. You can follow me on Twitter at nailsb, or you can follow me on Instagram at bc_jazzy_time. Anywho's, I think me and Vinny are gonna go and play some games because, yes, mom duty calls. Anywho's, I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.